This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey Gardener Fantastics, I am sharing with you guys today the update about my tomato plants. The leaves are getting pretty big. They growing on up, they getting up there. They should be getting a little taller eventually, but they're doing okay. I'm loving it. Check it out. Tomato seedlings, excuse me, growing on up, making it do what it do. Y'all growing any tomatoes? You got any tips if you want to share? But yeah, I put them in this bigger bucket a while back. They liking it because they had a little stress and they collapsed. Then I gave them a little water. Then they popped and perked back up. So everything is gravy. Welcome back to the channel. I forgot to say that. And thank you, all the new subscribers. Thanks for using that thumbs up button. Thanks for hitting that notification bell. Oh, I might as well go on and share the sunflowers. Look at that. They doing all right. Another one in the back there came up, and that's that one, getting more leaves on it. What y'all say, true leaf stuff? But anyway, I can't wait for these sunflowers to come up. Y'all don't even want to know about the update about the other flowers. They gone. They died. I can't even see what I did with the dang. They didn't make it. I didn't treat them right, so they perished. So my sunflowers is gonna be the only flower I guess I'm gonna have this time around. I'm not gonna give up though. I'm gonna keep trying to grow some flowers. I did sprinkle some more seeds, but they haven't done anything yet. I think it's in, oh shoot, almost dropped my freaking phone. I would have been screaming. But nothing's going on in this planter here. But that's all. I just want to do a little update, talk about my little tomato stuff and the sunflowers and some more flower seeds I planted, but we'll see if they do anything. But right now it's gloomy as heck out here. Let me show y'all, see how dark the sky is, but I don't think it's gonna rain though. All right, that's it, party people. Check with y'all later till we meet again. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Thanks for your time and support.